How to fix Ome TV app camera not working. So if camera is not working on Ome TV, there might be various reasons behind it. First, try checking for the camera permissions. Open the app library of your device. Find the application for Ome TV and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. You can see various options over here. Tap on the option Permissions. Find the option for camera and tap on it. Make sure to select this option for allow only while using the app. After you do that, go back. You can open the Ome TV application. Now the camera should start working. If it is still not working, there might be some bugs in the application itself. In that case, try updating it. Open the Play Store. Search for Ome TV. Tap on the option Ome TV. Now if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and it will be updated. After you do that, the problem will be fixed. If not, try clearing the cache. Open app library of your device. Find the application for Ome TV, long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache. Once you do that, camera should start working. Sometimes your device's camera itself might not be working. In that case, try restarting your device. Long press on the power button. Tap on the option Restart that you can see on the screen. After the device is restarted, temporary software glitches will be fixed. The camera should start working now. You can see over here the camera is working on Ome TV. Like this, you'll be able to fix camera not working on Ome TV. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.